Well, thank you, Margaret, for the introduction. Thank you, everybody, for connecting. It is really a pleasure to be invited today to talk about the PBF-999 development in Prader-Willi Syndrome. But first of all, let me introduce the company. Palobiofarma is a clinical stage biotech founded in 2006 in Spain. We have a promising pipeline with 6 development compounds. As you see in different indications, as you see, but today we would like to focus, of course, in PBF-999 in Prader-Willi syndrome. What is PBF-999? Well, it's a novel potent and selective phosphodiesterase inhibitor. It has been preclinical investigated in several models of cognition and obesity. It has also been investigated in 3 clinical trials, and it is suitable for oral administration. But why PDE10 inhibitors in Prader-Willi? Well, on the one hand, we know that PDE10 is highly enriched in the striatum, where play a critical role switching off the dopaminergic signaling, and dopamine signaling is known to be involved in the appetite, hormonal regulation, and in food reward processing. On the other hand, we know from animal models that PDE10 deficient mice are resistant to diet-induced obesity, and in that model of obesity, administration of PDE10 inhibitor produce a decrease in body weight, in hedonic feeding, and adiposity, and on the other way around, produce an increase in energy expenditure, thermogenesis, and the expression of some Brownian marker. Well, all of this evidence somehow confirm the potential of PDE10 inhibitors targeting hyperphagia and obesity. But which of all of these findings have been found with our PBF-999? Well, from animal models of obesity, administration of PBF-999 has caused significant weight loss, as you see in the picture in blue, in comparison with placebo, has caused significant reduction in metabolic parameters and elevated energy expenditures and an enhanced expression of brown fat marker. This is somehow confirming what it has been reported in the literature for in PDE10 inhibitors. But we have also some feedback from human administration, specifically in the clinical trial with cancer patients, where patients were treated with longer than 28 days with PBF-999, and the administration caused as main adverse events a significant loss of appetite and a significant weight loss consequently to the loss of appetite, and this was dose dependent, as you see also in the picture. And we have also found a significant improvement in some metabolic parameters like glucose and adiponectin. This result also confirmed the anoretic potential of PBF-999. Then we have decided to move forward with the development of PBF-999 as first-in-class candidate in Prader-Willi syndrome. Well, we have designed a proof of concept clinical trial, which is a crossover randomized double-blind clinical trial. That means that patient will be treated with both PBF-999 and placebo with a washout period in between. And when patients finish or complete the crossover phase, they will be invited to participate to an open label period where they will be treated just with PBF-999 during 3 months and then a follow-up period. We are planning to include 20 adult patients in one site in Spain into sequential cohort. Our primary endpoint will be safety and tolerability, and the secondary endpoint will be related with the efficacy of PBF-999 in improving hyperphagia, behavior, body weight, and some metabolic biomarkers. I would like to mention that we have received an external support from Dr. Asunta Caixas. She is the principal investigator of the trial, and she's based in Partauli, Barcelona, Spain, and she has really huge experience working with Prader-Willi patients. We have also received a scientific assessment and financial support from the Foundation for Prader-Willi Research. Now I just would like to summarize the current status of the trial. The trial was approved in December 2022. The first patient was included in March 2023. There are currently 7 patients in the trials. In different stages of the trial, we have 4 patients running who are running now the open label period. one patient who has completed the crossover period, and we have other 2 patients who are in the washout period. Regarding to safety, I would like to say that administration of PBF-999 has been so far safe and well tolerated, and we haven't reported any dropout patients so far. Till here, my presentation, we will be happy to answer any question that may arise. Thank you very much.